Okay, how to ask anything using WH questions in Malay. So the 6 WH words in Malay is as follows. What is apa? Who is siapa? Where is mana? When is bila? Why? Kenapa? And how is macam mana? So why do they sound different? If you noticed, when I pronounced apa, I pronounced it as apa, not apa. Apa. In casual Malay, people relax the pronunciation to speak faster and more smoothly. So if you noticed, apa sounds more academic, more robotic. But if you say apa, it sounds more smooth, easier to pronounce. The last vowel often becomes a softer schwa. So apa becomes apa. The sounds get shortened or slightly changed to reduce your effort pronouncing it. Local accents also influence how the outcome, the pronunciation comes out. Apa is pronounced apa. An example of it would be apa ni, meaning what is this? Apa directly means what, ini means this. So in Malay, you'd say apa ni, what this, or this what. You can also say ini apa. Use this for objects, ideas, or actions. So apa is used for objects, ideas, or actions. Next we got siapa, meaning who. An example would be siapa awak, meaning who are you. A direct translation would be who, awak means you. So who you or you who. This is used strictly for people. Where means mana. An example is tandas di mana. So if you wanna, let's say you are looking for directions to the washroom or toilet, you can say tandas di mana, where tandas means toilet, di is like is, am is, where is mana. So tandas di mana is where is the toilet. In casual Malay, we usually just say mana and then the object. So mana tandas, or if you want to go to the police station, mana police station. Next is when, bila. An example is bila awak sampai, meaning when did you arrive. So bila is when, awak means you, sampai means arrive, when you arrive. Perfect for checking schedules or meeting up. Why is kenapa. Kenapa awak lambat, meaning why are you late, where kenapa means why, awak means you, lambat means late. Use this sparingly if you want to keep your Malaysian friends. So what I mean by saying this is, in Malaysia, this kind of goes off topic a bit, but in Malaysia people don't really follow the time. So if you say we're gonna grab lunch at 1 p.m., it usually means like 1:15, 1:10, 1:15 ish. So we don't really follow the time in Malaysia. How, macam mana. An example would be macam mana nak pergi. How do I go there? So macam mana means how, pergi means go, and nak means like how do I go there, like it's a filler word type of thing. So macam mana is the king of conversational Malay. So it's very common to hear this in Malay. The flexible rule. So we're done with the 6 WH words. Now let's look at one rule. In Malay, you can put the WH question word at the beginning or the end of the word of the sentence. Um, Siapa nama awak is the same as nama awak siapa. Both are 100% correct. So, who is your name or your name is who is the exact same. That's all for this video. Thank you. If you have any other tips, drop them in the comments. And that's it.